of all, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. When my daughter got married in September, she had a barn wedding, and she asked me to do the tiered trays for the dessert table, and so we have a lot of them, and so I'm going to be using one of them tonight. Yes, I am. One of these, and all this is, you guys, this was from Hobby Lobby. This was a galvanized metal platter. Galvanized metal platter, had some stars in it. It was really cute. All I did was I took a little black candlestick from Hobby Lobby as well. And I think this one might have been from Hobby Lobby as well. However, I was looking at it today and I'm thinking this would make such a cute tiered tray for St. Patrick's Day. I'm gonna just set it aside for now because I'm gonna show you some of the things we're gonna be making tonight to go on this tiered tray. I got a couple things. This is a little sign I got from Hobby Lobby. Now, it's been renovated. These you get, they're little frames that come with little clips on them, and they're just screwed on at the top here. I took the clip off because we don't need that. All right, now what I did was I went over it with a couple of coats of Fusion Mineral Paint in the white, and then I hit it with one coat of Mod Podge. The reason I did that is because I want to write on it with a marker, and markers and paint, they just don't get along. So I'm going to take this green marker, and I'm going to take a black one, a black pen, and I'm going to write on this. This little sign is going to say, "Let the shenanigans begin." I'm going to do the letter L. Like that. Okay, so now I'm going to set it aside and let it just kind of cure and dry, okay, while we work on another part of our tiered tray. This part is going to be like a little Gnome guy. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I took it, it said love, and it was obviously for Valentine's Day. I just took it with my little gator tool, and it had, you know, sparkles on it, and I just sanded it off like that, okay? And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint this heart. I'm gonna make him green. All right, we're just gonna paint the heart around those little fingertips like this. I'm gonna get in around there. Probably should get a smaller brush for the fingers. That's what I'll do. I don't want it completely like covered in all like green. I like the variegation. And I am going to hit it with a little bit of Mod Podge because I'm going to be writing on this as well. Okay, so the reason I did this is going to be the head of the gnome, like that. Okay. And it is going to go behind this heart. This. I'm going to put a little B7000 on it at the little bottom part there, and I'm going to hit it with a little bit of hot glue so it'll give me that quick grab. All right, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to take some of this moss that I got from the Dollar Tree. Well, first of all, take this little wooden bead, this cute little wooden bead. I'm gonna put it to where the two holes are going that way so that the moss is gonna cover it, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna go up here at the top, add a little bit of hot glue, and we're just gonna add some of this moss, just little bits of it. Isn't he cute? All right, so we have got to put this in the middle because that's going to be the O, because it's going to say love. Isn't he sweet? I might even diamond dust him just to make him a little sparkly because I like a little sparkle in my gnomes. I don't know about you. Just going over it with some Mod Podge. him or not, but he's gonna be so pretty when that dries. That's gonna be really pretty. I was kind of thinking of making this like a little girl gnome. I keep saying a he, but I was kind of thinking it would be cute if I put like a little bow, a little tie in the hair or up in the head. Kind of makes it look like she's got a little hat on, like a little bonnet. All right, here's our little gnome gnome. And I'm gonna put her down here. I think she looks better in here. Like that in the tiered tray. All right, so we got that one done. I've got 3 grapevine wreaths that were heart-shaped. They're heart-shaped. And all I did was I took them and I wired them together with a little green floral wire at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, I took the stick from my son's garden, and I kind of picked this one because it had a little bit of a bend to it. I'm gonna take the stick, just like this, and I'm gonna wire it, just like I did the 3 together. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to wire it on, and I'm going to hot glue it as well. I'm just going to go in through one heart and out through the other and kind of weave it in and out and try. And then I'm going to take some of the moss. See how cute that ends up being, like a little clover. See? So I have a little hot glue there going on. So I'm going to put some over the green. Not too much, over the green wire that I just see how pretty that looks. Can you tell? Can you see the top of it here? All of that going on. I've decided this beautiful Celtic knot one. I'm gonna put this in the middle of these florals here, right here in the middle of the florals. So I might put that gnome right up top. I think that's cute right there, right? Okay, so hold on, guys. I'm gonna bling. I'll let the shenanigans begin. Okay, we're gonna bling some Totally Dazzled bling. I've got some green, some pretty. Okay, we're gonna go around the perimeter here with the B7000. Blingy blingy all the way around. Isn't that a pretty against that gold? Now I'm gonna put this cute little shamrock over the eye. Let the shenanigans begin. This is the final tiered tray piece. I got this at Hobby Lobby the other day. It was just a little sign. I'm gonna paint this actually. You're probably like, what, Susie? Because I'm gonna crackle just front. All right, so I'm gonna go in here with the crackle medium right here. Folk Art Crackle Medium is what I'm gonna use. All right, a little bit of Casement White Fusion Mineral Paint, and I'm gonna put it on kind of thickish. So this is where the little, I'm gonna put up here in this little corner right here. I'm gonna put the little clatta up here in this corner. It says, do it with all your heart. This is my favorite one of all, and I just want to put it on this little corner here. Okay, so here we go. We got a cute little tiered tray going on here. We made this little gnome. We'll leave her off to the side here like that. We're gonna add, let me turn this around here. The little shenanigans, look at how cute that turned out. The little shenanigans plaque. Now just put it down here. A little easel back. I'll put it in the middle, I think. Well, actually, and this is going to go down here on the bottom as well. And cute. I didn't do anything to it, but I can add, I got this little boot, this little leprechaun boot, and you can put it right up here. I love it. I think it's sweet. I think it's perfect, and it really didn't take that much doing, y'all. Just a little bit of imagination, right? Bye, guys. Love you all.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.